I'm going out for this job today. I got the money for the fare in my pocket. Miles away. It was dirty old factory. I'm gonna go down there. When I walked to the door, said step on. There's nobody there at all. Just a woman reading the paper. I said, excuse me lady, can you help me so? Can you help me so? Can you help me so? Instead of reading that paper, said, what you want, miss? The job's already gone. It cost me weeks savings on a Greyhound bus. Get 26 miles. She said, you gotta be fooling me. She said, wait a minute, I'll check. And she picked up the phone. Put it down. I said, yes, sir. She called me, sir. She said, the job is gone. You could try again next week. I said, can you give me that number? She said, no, it's confidential. It's the owner's number. Won't talk to you. I said, what do you mean now? She said, you won't talk to you. Why? I said, why not? I said, why not, baby? She said, I don't know. I just work for him. I was in a fix. I was in a fix. I was in a big fix. I couldn't get anywhere. I come all that way and a long journey home. I explained my predicament. She looked sad for me. Said, I tell you what, give me your number. I'll call you if anything comes in. Look at that human decency. I wrote it down with a ballpoint pen. I wrote it down, said I'll call you again. That's your way goodbye. I think I get to know her well. Where's your way goodbye? I think I get to know her well. Soon I'll be working now. Sure enough, she called me up. Sure enough, she called me up. And sure enough, there's a job going, she said, down straight away. And I'll put you through. I'll put you right through. And the man came on. I'll be honest with you, you can not keep a cat. He said, what's your name? What's your name? I'll come and speak to you. I said, no, no, sir. I live a long way away. She said, well, if you get down here, I might give you some work. I said, I'll get the next coach. I'll get by two. That phone was already down. What a gamble. Finding work is. What a gamble. Finding work is. Well, I arrived just in time. He was in the car at the front. Said, excuse me, sir. We talked before. He said, I can't stay now. I got a meeting with the other owners. I'm glad you came. Have a free cup of coffee. Call me again in the morning, yes. Said no chance. You're messing me up. Night and day, costing me money. I need my overdrive. Mess you around. There's so many looking for us. Mess you around. So many looking for us. I won't call again. So just be some rock and roll.